One.
Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make brownies. So the materials you're going to need is going to be 3 cups of sugar, 1 cup of cocoa, 4 eggs, 1.5 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1 cup of melted butter, a 13 by 8 pan, and mixing bowls how many you want to need. Alright, once you got your 1 cup of melted butter, your 3 cups of sugar, and your vanilla, you're going to want to all mix them together. So first you take your 3 cups of sugar, pour it into the mixing bowl. Then you take your butter and pour it in there. Your 1 cup of butter. Then you're going to want to take your vanilla extract and put 1 tablespoon. And then if you don't have a mixing bowl like this, you can also use a whisk in a regular bowl. It does the same thing. So then you want to put it up. You start mixing it. The next step you're going to want to do is add your 4 eggs. And you want to add them one by one so it mixes evenly. So first you just want to drag in it. And then while that's mixing, you want to go to your oven and you want to preheat it to 350 degrees. Okay, the next step is you're going to want to sift and mix your powders, basically your flour, your cocoa, and your semi-sweet chocolate chips and salt. So first you just want to add your 1 cup of cocoa powder to your 1.5 cup of flour. Then you're going to want to take a teaspoon of salt. This just adds a little bit more flavor, saltiness to your brownies. You want to add that in there. Then you're going to want to take your chocolate chips, semi-sweet, dump it in. And then you can take a fork or any whisking material, and you just want to mix it all together until it's kind of a light brown color. That's how you know it's fully mixed. So it's light brown, like that. Okay, now you're going to want to take your mixture that you made and dump it into your bowl. Well, don't do that, but you want to gently just pour it in. Just like so. Try not to spill, but I'm not good at this stuff, so. Alright, once you get it all in there, you can take your remnants too, or turn it on, and mix it until it's fully kind of a dense, thick chocolate. I'll show you in the next slide. Okay, now that your mixture is nice and fully mixed, you're going to want to take some pan cooking spray and spray your 13 by 8 pan all the way so it doesn't burn the edges. Alright, now you just want to take your batter, just pour it all in there, just like so. Just want to get it all in there. You know if you did it right, because it should be fairly chunky. Because brownies are a chunkier batter than most other baking things. Just want to get it all in there. Might take a little bit, but you gotta get every little bit of brownie in there. Just like so. Now you're just going to want to spread it all out over the pan so it's even. You just do this by taking your spatula and just kind of smoothing it out. Just like so. Okay, now once your brownies are nice and smoothed out and your oven's at 350 degrees preheated, you're going to want to put it in for 30 minutes and then check and see, because it could get done faster depending on your oven. There you go. And now that your brownies are done cooking for 30 minutes, you're going to want to take them out. Warning, you do not want to burn them, so that's why you always want to keep checking them while you're baking them. And then a special consideration you can use to make sure they're fully done is take a toothpick or just something that's like a toothpick, and you want to stick it right in the middle. And then if it comes out and there's no cake on it, that means they're done. And that is how you make brownies. And then once they've cooled, you can let them cool for 30 minutes and then cut them into squares however you want to. Or you can also plastic wrap them if you're going to give them away or take them places.